Are you overweight, maybe just holding on to a few pounds, maybe very overweight and just don't like diets and always going to the gym? Or maybe you've never worked out and you're just starting out. Look, I hear you. Before I became a celebrity lifestyle and wellness coach on TV and on social media, I was that fat, miserable guy that was just not happy. And even when I got in great physical shape, I still wasn't happy, right? Until you control your mind, your emotions, your body won't come to fruition the way that you want. Why? Because it's all about confidence, which is why I created my Caliente Mind Body 12-week program. This is a 3-phase plan that will take you to the destination you desire, regardless if you are beginner, intermediate, or advanced. If you want happiness, confidence, and ultimately the best body that you want and desire, the Caliente Mind Body program is for you. Now let me explain how each phase works for each plan. Remember, there's 3 plans in just one program. Phase 1 is the Caliente Kickoff. This is a great jumpstart to losing weight and getting rid of water retention. So it includes a customized food program, a customized cardio plan, and a customized abs program. You'll be doing this for 21 days, starting to feel lighter, and most importantly, starting to feel more confident. We then jump into phase 2, which is the Caliente Body 8-week plan. Now, this is almost identical to the 21-day kickoff. The only difference is you're gonna be doing weight training, right? And on top of it, you'll be able to eat more in your customized food program. Next and final destination is your 7-day tummy tuck plan. Now, in this plan is more restrictive when it comes to your food, which is why you don't have to work out. Some people choose to do a little bit of cardio, but you'll see and find out soon once you start the program. Now, a lot of people ask me, hey, is this all I have to do, 12 weeks, and I'll get the best mindset, the best body ever? That depends on you. It depends on, are you 100 pounds overweight, 50 pounds? Are you just looking to polish up? That depends on you. Look, a lot of my clients, including myself, and I am my own client because I use my own programs. I do the Caliente Mind Body program 2, sometimes 3 times a year. Why do I say this? Because you want to not only get the results, but you want to keep them, right? So it depends on you. And lastly, 90% of my clients do my private one-on-one coaching with me. I do this through performance mastermind coaching on the phone and on Zoom to hold you accountable, to keep you in check, to keep you motivated, but most importantly, making sure that you're doing the workouts correctly, making sure that you're eating correctly, and getting you where you need to be, but most importantly, keeping you there. Start today.